Eastern Pike, Central Pickaway.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Scioto County, Ross County, Pike County, Pickaway County, western Licking County, western Hocking County, southeastern Franklin County, western Fairfield County, eastern Adams County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Bexley to Rattaville to Walmsley, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. These storms have a history of producing damaging winds. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Gahanna, Asheville, New Albany, Reynoldsburg, Circleville, Piketon, Chillicothe, Pickerington, Waverly, Kingston, Pawtascala, Baltimore. In addition, Port Columbus Airport, Fox, Duval, Otway, State Route 138 at U.S. Route 22, Rardon, New Kingston, and Mountjoy are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 100 and 125. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the